day, everyone. I'm Leonard Kings and I'm excited to guide you through our discussion on the Baluarte de Sabang. This historic watchtower located in San Miguel Leyte dates back to the Spanish colonial era and served as a crucial defense against pirate raids. Joining me today are my co-members Mandy, Rainier, and so on. Together, we'll explore the rich story and enduring legacy of the Baluarte de Sabang.
The Baluarte de Sabang is the historical watchtower tower located in San Miguel Leyte, Philippines. This structure dates back to the Spanish colonial period. Built in the late 18th and early 19th century, it was a part of serious coastal defense installations construction by Spanish to protect the area from the Moron raid raids. The watchtower or baluartes were strategically placed along the coast to serve as lookout point and as a first line of defense against invasion.
The Baluarte de Sabang is notable for its robust construction, featuring thick walls made of coral stone and limestone. Materials commonly used in Spanish colonial architecture in the Philippines, its strategic location provided a wide view of the surrounding waters, allowing the Spanish colonial forces to spot incoming threats early.
Over the years, the Baluarte de Sabang has witnessed significant historical events and changes. Despite the wear and tear of the natural elements and human activities, it's remained under testament to the rich historical and cultural heritage of San Miguel Leyte. Efforts have been made by local authorities and heritage conservation groups to preserve and restore the structure, recognition its historical importance and potential as tourist attraction. Today, the Baluarte de Sabang stands as a cultural landmark, offering visitors a glimpse into the past of the region's colonial history. It serves as a reminder of the community resilience and the historical significance of coastal defenses in the Philippines.